Mahal kita kahit may mahal kang iba. Mahal kita kahit ikaw lang sa ating dalawa ang masaya. Mahal kita kahit ako yung nandyan, pero hanap mo siya. Ang hirap naman makita yung taong mahal mo na binabaliwala lang ng iba. Hindi ko masabi sa kanya na ako na lang, kasi tingin niya lang sa akin ay tropa. What if one day, sabihin ko na lang kaya, para di na ako nahihirapan pa. Pero what if lumayo na lang muna kaya ako hanggang makalimutan ko siya? What if mahal niya din ako? In love lang siya sa idea nilang dalawa. Pero what if hindi? Tas masira ko yung pagkakaibigan naming matagal na. I am so confused. I love him, pero I can't. Ang hirap kapag ikaw yung nagmamahal sa one-way love. My love, siguro nga ito na yung pinakamasakit or isa sa pinakamasakit na pakiramdam. Yung mahal na mahal mo siya, pero hindi mo man lang magawang masabi sa kanya. Yung patago kada sulyap, ginagawa mo lahat para sa kanya. Ang tingin lang niya doon, you are being so kind, you are a good friend, pero deep inside, ginagawa mo yun kasi mahal mo siya. Some people will look into it and say, ang noble mo naman. Sobrang admirable mo naman. You are loving someone unconditionally. You are loving someone without asking anything in return. Masarap siyang pakinggan kasi parang nakakabuo ng pagkatao na ganun ka pala talaga katindi magmahal. Pero sa isang taong nakakaramdam nun, ang sakit. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, kahit gaano ka magbigay, kahit gaano mo siya pahalagahan, hindi ka niya nakikita the way tinitignan mo siya. You are looking at that person as a part of your world, if not your world. Pero ikaw, elemento ka lang sa kanya. Elementong nagpapaganda ng buhay niya. Pero dispensable ka. Alam mo yung okay lang kung wala, okay lang din kung nandyan. Ang sakit lang din kasi lalo na kapag nakikita mo yung taong mahal mo na hindi pinapahalagahan ng iba. Parang sa utak-utak mo, how can you do that to a person na ginagawa kong mundo? Napakaswerte mo to be with that person. Napakaswerte mo tinitignan ka niya with love. Napakaswerte mo hinahawakan niya yung kamay mo. Napakaswerte mo nayayakap mo siya whenever you want. Kasi ako, that's something na pinipigilan ko sa sarili ko. Grabe yung pagpipigil kong hawakan yung kamay niya, yakapin siya kapag nakikita siya. Grabe yung pagpipigil kong sabihin sa kanya na, uy, kaya nagagawa ko yung nagagawa ko kasi mahal kita. Arla, ganito, no? I know you want to tell this person just how much he means to you. Just how much you love him. You think it's the only way to try kung meron bang possibility ng kayo. Hindi na nga natin iti-take into consideration. Even though it's a big factor, isa-set aside na lang natin yung fact na kaibigan mo siya. Kasi sometimes, friends do become lovers. And there's nothing wrong with that. After all, we all take risks when it comes to love. Pero, in a relationship kasi siya eh. Even though that relationship, sa mata mo ay parang sayang kasi hindi siya pinapahalagahan ng tao, still, he is in a relationship. If you want to start something good with the person, you want to start it right. Ayaw mo yung feeling na inagaw mo lang siya sa jowa niya. Hindi mo gugustuhin yung feeling na tinuon niya lang yung atensyon niya sa'yo Kasi ikaw yung nandyan. Ikaw yung convenient para sa kanya. Ikaw yung abot kamay para sa kanya. Because with you, parang feeling niya hindi niya na kailangan mag-effort. You don't want to do it to yourself and you don't want to ruin someone else's relationship. Now, if sasabihin mo, what if lumayo na lang kaya ako para kalimutan siya? That is your choice. If you think, my love, that will help. If you think yung distance, yung absence, can make your love grow weaker para sa kanya, then go ahead. If you think that one will be the best for you, go ahead. Kasi yung mga susunod na what if do na, what if mahal ka pala niya, what if ikaw pala yung gusto niyang makasama, ikaw pala yung nagpapasaya sa kanya, these are sometimes things that you only realize sa absence ng tao. And with you being always available, laging nandyan para sa kanya, wala yung missing factor. Wala yung absence that makes the love grow fonder. Wala yun. Kasi para sa kanya, bakit pa siya maghahanap or mag-iisip ng kahit ano pa to begin with you when he can get everything for free? Nang walang ka-effort. Nang hindi siya nagtatry. And you don't want to be that person na laging available for everything. Naiintindihan ko, my love, that you want to give it a shot. You want to give it a try. Pero this is not the right time. I know that you want to love unconditionally. You want to love without asking anything in return. Pero my love, isipin mo din yung sarili mo. Kasi maybe, sa sobrang pagkagusto mo dun sa idea ng isang taong hindi mo makuha, at gusto mong isatisfy yung craving na yon na dahil bawa lalo mong ginugusto, sa kagustuhan mong maging realidad yung fantasy in your head. Maybe someone is already there for you. Nasa same position that you are right now. Minamahal ka kahit may mahal kang iba. But the difference is, you are not in a relationship with anyone. And yung possibility mo of being with that person is bigger than the possibility of you being with that guy na sinusundan-sundan mo na parang aso. Mas malaki yung posibilidad na yung taong nakatingin na sa'yo, siya yung para sa'yo pero hindi niya magawang mag-make ng move kasi nakatingin ka sa iba. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? Sometimes life is like that Meron siyang ganung cycle, meron siyang ganung trip na minsan nakakainis. Kasi before you know it, wala na yung taong yun. Too late na for you to see them. Kaya nga diba laging sinasabi nila, if you wanna be with the right person for you, then stop being with the wrong ones. Once na naramdaman mo na this is not gonna work, once na feel mo na sa sarili mo na this is not gonna last, then stop it. Do not waste any more of your time with something na, to be honest with you, is already a dead end. Sabi nga dito ni Wise Genius Menhard sa ating Facebook Live, one-sided love is loving someone truly and bravely and purely, but tough enough even if you are not being loved in return. Well, sometimes lang naman. True, it's brave, diba? Loving someone without asking anything in return, it's brave. Pero is it sustainable? Sa panahon ngayon, is it really smart to do that? Kasi at the end of the day, ikaw lang yung unhappy At sometimes, my love, if not always in life, you should keep this in mind. Always choose your happiness. Prioritize your happiness. Even if you have to sacrifice something that will break your heart, it's okay. If yung pipiliin mo will have the possibility of you being happier than you've ever been, choose that. Life is too short para hintayin yung taong tumingin sa'yo kung alam mo namang nakaset na yung eyes niya sa iba. Life is too short for you to wait for someone na alam mo namang drawn and in love with someone else. Life is too short to waste your time, to waste your life, to waste your love to someone na hindi ka nakikita the way you see them. So Arla, stop. If you need space, if you need time, go get it for yourself, love. Do it for yourself. Now, somewhere down the road, if magtagpo uli yung mundo ninyong dalawa, this time he's free. This time he is available. And you still feel the same way. And meron kang urge to tell him na, hey, I've been in love with you for the longest time, then go ahead. At least this time around, wala na kayong matatapakang tao. Wala nang overlap. Wala na kayong masasaktan in the process. Hindi ka na makukonsensya na nanira ka ng ibang relasyon. Pero as for now, my love, choose your sanity and peace of mind and happiness. Stop being too available. Stop giving your love, your attention, your time to someone for free. And when I say free, free for the taking. Kahit nag-end up ka na durog, hinahayaan mo lang kasi mahal mo. We are wiser now. We are stronger now. Even in a relationship, alam naman natin na hindi totoo kapag sinabi mong hindi ko kayang mawala ka. Yes, you can. Kasi nag-exist ka nga sa mundong to, nagkautak ka, na namulat ka sa mundong to nang hindi siya nag-exist. So kahit mawala siya sa buhay mo ngayon, you can still survive. Ganon din to Arla. It will be hard, it will be painful kasi this time around you have to accept that you are giving up. Now, just for this moment, you are giving up sa fantasy of you and him being together. Hindi naman natin alam yung future eh. But for now, maybe you have to set your eyes elsewhere. Kasi pwede ka namang sumaya eh. Pwede mo namang hayaan yung sarili mong mahalin din. Posible yun eh. And it's not impossible. Claro? Claro.